Hi, I'm Sarah from Graco. I'm going to show you how to install your GoMax Infant Car Seat using the base and the vehicle seat belt. Place the base flat on the vehicle seat. Push it back until the front of the base touches the vehicle seat back. Make sure the lower anchor connectors are stored on the sides of the base. Make sure the vehicle is on level ground, then check that the red level line on the side of the base is level with the ground. Readjust the recline if needed by using the recline lever on the front of the base and lifting or lowering the base. Then, recheck the level line. Open the snug lock lock-off. Thread the vehicle seatbelt through the rear-facing belt path and buckle it. The seatbelt should lay as flat as possible and not be twisted. Tighten the vehicle seatbelt by pressing down firmly on the top of the base while pulling the shoulder belt to remove the slack. Close the snug lock lock-off until you hear a click. Test for tightness. Place your hands at the rear-facing belt path and move the base side to side and front to back. It should not move more than 1 inch. Place the car seat into the base. Push down on the front and rear of the car seat and handle until you hear a click. Test to make sure the car seat is attached by pulling up on the seat. Now, check the level indicator on the seat to ensure the bubble is completely within the correct zone for your child. If it's not, adjust the recline. Your car seat is now installed.